Let's set up AnyTrack for a Shopify store from start to finish, beginning on the AnyTrack Getting Started page. First, click into the website URL field so we can add the Shopify store address. Once the store details are in, click Next to keep moving through onboarding. Next, confirm Shopify as the platform by clicking Next again. Now choose Install via Google Tag Manager for the AnyTrack tracking tag. Then click Install the AnyTrack tracking tag to begin the GTM setup. Select the Google account that has access to the right Google Tag Manager account and container. Choose the GTM account, container, and workspace, then click Add Tag and continue. AnyTrack adds the tag to your GTM container automatically. Click Apply and Publish Now to finish. Back in AnyTrack, confirm the tracking tag is added so we can continue with ad integrations. Next, connect Google Analytics to start sending tracking data there too. Sign in with the Google account that has access to your analytics property. Select the Google Analytics account, property, and data stream you want AnyTrack to use. Click Connect Google Analytics to complete this integration. Now connect Facebook Pixel. This first connection pulls ad metrics only, and the conversion API can be enabled later. On Facebook Login for Business, click Reconnect to authorize AnyTrack access. Back in AnyTrack, choose the Business Manager, Ad Account, and Pixel you want to connect. Select the Test Ad Account from the available ad accounts list. Click Connect Facebook Pixel to finish linking Facebook with AnyTrack. With the ad platforms connected, click Set Up Integrations to continue with Shopify. Click Add to add the Shopify tracking integration. Open Setup Instructions to view the Shopify webhook details. Click to copy the AnyTrack webhook URL. Now open the Shopify admin for your store and go to Settings. From Settings, open Notifications to find the webhook area. Scroll to the webhooks section, then open webhooks. Click Create Webhook to start the first AnyTrack webhook. We'll reuse the same URL for each event. Select the cart creation event, then paste the AnyTrack webhook URL into the endpoint field. Next, open the API version dropdown so we can choose a stable version. Select the latest stable API version from the list. Click Save to create the cart creation webhook. Now create another webhook, this time for the cart updated event. Save the cart updated webhook after adding the same AnyTrack URL and API version. Next, create a new webhook for the checkout creation event. Click Save to add the checkout creation webhook. Continue by creating another webhook for the checkout updated event. Click Save to create the checkout updated webhook. Finally, create one more webhook for order creation. Click Save to finish creating the Shopify webhooks. Use the three dots menu to send a test event to AnyTrack. Return to AnyTrack and click I've completed this step to confirm the Shopify setup. Click Continue to move past the Shopify setup instructions. Click Go to Dashboard so we can verify setup and enable the Facebook Conversion API. In the AnyTrack dashboard, open Tracking Pixels. Select the connected Facebook pixel from the list. Toggle the Conversion API so that AnyTrack starts sending conversions to your Facebook pixel, also known as dataset. Once enabled, AnyTrack will start sending conversions. You will be able to inspect the conversions in the Facebook Event Manager as they appear within 20 minutes. Scroll down and review the conversion event mapping. The default standard event mapping should already be in place. Next, go to the Integrations panel to check the Shopify tracking setup. Open the Shopify tracking integration to review its status. You can also use Command-K or Control-K for shortcuts. Open Events Log to verify that Shopify events are reaching AnyTrack. Review the events log to see successful, discarded, deduplicated, and error events from the Shopify integration.